Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Ingre from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Student, today we will learn assignment number 10, that is draft a memo. Memo. You know the memo and importance of memo, when and how to write the memo. Okay. Memo is a kind of, means the memorandum. It is important for, or it is important is an official document used to remind or recovery to convey the instruction or action or information. It is also used to announce the give formal information about the news procedure, new product. It also used to communicate smooth something of immediate importance to the people with the business or organization. It is the permanent record for legal action. It enables the organization to keep the track of progress or problem. Memorandum is given by superior to the lower authority. It is nothing but it's a kind of warning, ultimatum to superior, from superior to worker or lower authority. Okay, it is a legal action. So, how to write the memo we will discuss in this assignment. The basic knowledge. Apply the knowledge of basic math, science, in engineering to solve the problem related to application, computer, communication services, storing multiple, transmitting data, often context or business enterprises. Communicate effectively in an oral or written form. Lifelong learning. Engage in independent and lifelong learning with the with the technological changes in IT or applied or allied industries. Relevant course outcome. Write report using the correct guideline. E. Compose email and formal business letters. Practical skill. Use computer system including the language lab software. Develop types of formal skill. Relevant effective domain related the outcomes. Follow safety practice. Demonstrate the working as a leader or individual or a teamwork. Minimum theoretical background. The knowledge of type of memo in an organization is important. One should know the standard format prescribed by the organization. The context and the purpose of the operating system should be clear. The positive tone should be maintained while drafting memo. Procedure. Log in with your account. Read understanding instruction in practical manual properly and discuss understanding with your facilitator. Refer online on print material contest drafting the business memo. Draft memo using the standard given on topic. Submit the draft to the facilitator for review. Type memo following technical practice specification. Take a print of the memo and submit to the assignment. So student, first of all we see how to write the memo. As I told you, memo which is given by superior to lower authority. It is a warning, it is an ultimatum. So how to write a memo? First of all we see the draft. Okay. So first here it is memo is given on letterhead. His letter is not there, so it is also given the name of sender. So first of all, letterhead means there is a name of organization. Here I mentioned the name of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. It's a name of organization, name of institute, name of company, factory. Then email address, contact number, fax number, website, etc. Then reference number and date, on which date you have to sending the memo. It is the format on letterhead. Then at the middle you have to write down memorandum or memo. Then from means who gives the memo. For example, XYZ, either production manager, either head, either chairman, either college, the principal or chairman, etc. Then name of organization and place. Then to whom give the memo. One thing you have to make clear, memo is given by individual person or a group. It is not given to common. Memo is given to an individual or a group, not a common one. So 2 may the name of that particular employee, his designation and place. Subject, memo for dash dash dash. A memo for misbehaving, memo for absentees, memo for any kinds of malpractice, memo for damaging any instruments or machine, etc. Then central body or main topic or main body of memo. And finally, by order, or by order means the name of authority and designation of that person XYZ. So we know that how to draft the memo in a format. So let us take an example and we see how to draft the memo. Here is a question, write a memo to first year student for late submission of BCC term work to warn a stern action taken against them. Means the first year student did not submit their BCC manual, so it give the warning or ultimatum them to submit their manual, otherwise the strict action will be taken against them. So let us see how to write the memo. So first of all, we write down the name of organization. So our institute, that is Sri Shankar Narayan Education Trust, Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Navgar, Bhayandar East. Then email, contact, fax, then website, reference number and date that is 25th Jan 2021. Then as a center, we write down memorandum. So who write the memo? From principal of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar, Navgar East. To first year electronic telecommunication student, mean the class, first year EJ class. Then the main body, the subject. What is the subject of your memo? Regarding the late submission of BCC term work. As per the format, we write down first of all memorandum, from, to and subject. Then actually in the main body, how to write the memo, we will see. It is found that, or it has been found that, or it has been observed that you have not submitted your BCC term work till today. It is already too late. The date of submission was 19 Jan 2020 or 21. But you are hereby warned to submit the term work by 1st Feb 2021. If you fail to submit the term work in a stipulated time, else the stern action will be taken against you. And you will not be allowed to appear the term end or final theory exam. Kindly take note of it. By order, XYZ, Principal, Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So students, in this way, we write down the memorandum or memo. It is given by higher authority to lower authority. Memo is nothing but it's a warning or ultimatum given by superior to lower authority. So I hope you understood this assignment very well. Thank you very much.